Thomas, have you seen any more diesels around here?
No, I have not.
Like I said, they're mischievous. And once more written and proud. You hear what I meant?
I heard you, Gordon. Especially when I blew my whistle, I was happy.
Bother! Bother! Not so fast! Are you gonna start at me again?
No, the future is mine. Because we're the Cool Dude Diesels. We're agreed. We're mad and cool. Not that cool, but cross!
These diesels are so cross to get it.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, start!
Oh yeah? Want a piece of me? If you know what I mean, I'm so done with all the diesels.
I am so done with all the diesels.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! We have a problem. Well, as you can probably know about this, but Devious Diesel and Arrogant Bert made a second revenge since last February. Can you please tell them that you caused confusion and delays? Devious Diesel and Arrogant Bert, you both are grounded for humanity for blowing those horns at the Steamies. Because of the damages you did, you are grounded for another week. Now go to your shed and think about what you have done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For another revenges we are. But we're taking revenges seriously.
No, you are not. You are not taking revenges seriously. And, like I said, go to your shed and think about what you have done.
Breaking news, guy.
As you probably know, Devious Diesel was getting grounded by Sir Topham Hatt. Let's see how our news and development stories have been accomplished with.
Well, as you can probably know, I got grounded by Sir Topham Hatt because I blew horns at the engines. I agreed with all of those steamies or diesels because these steamies have no trouble within.
And what do you have for yourself, Sir Topham Hatt? Sir Topham Hatt, how could you not know if Devious Diesel and the other diesels were really angry? Well, I consider that as a penalty, but they're grounded for 100 weeks because they done damages like crashing into each other, like Bill and Ben, blowing horns at Steamies, and using the kazoos at them. So, Devious Diesel and the other diesels and cranes, if you're watching this, you should be grounded by me. I'll be all around the island of Sordor trying to ground them. And we have some other breaking news stories here.
A man has drowned at the beach after being buried in the sand. More on the story as it develops.
Oh no! We're grounded for humanity!
Well, you gotta stay in the shed for at least an hour.
Bots my buffers! This episode's not over. We should continue. Yeah, to be continued. Ha 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 ha.